The story of how God's Love We Deliver began is quite unique. In 1985, a hospice volunteer named Ganga Stone paid a visit to an AIDS patient that changed her life. The patient was too ill to cook for himself, and she began bringing meals to him. She realized that something as basic as delivering a meal could bring dignity and recognition to a desperate situation. Ganga also realized that the severity of his situation demanded something more than simply delivering food. It required preparing nutritionally tailored meals that would support his specific medical treatment. She delivered again and was stopped by a minister who recognized her. He asked what she was doing. She told him, and he replied, "You're not just delivering food, you're delivering God's love." And Ganga said, "That's the name." And God's Love We Deliver was born. Our organization was created to improve the health and well-being of men, women, and children living with severe illnesses. Since our founding, God's Love We Deliver has been cooking and delivering meals for people in the New York City metropolitan area who are living with severe illness. Being sick and hungry is an urgent crisis, and healthy food is a form of medicine. Nutritious food can help sick people get better and feel stronger. We employ a team of registered dietitians who individually tailor meals to each client's specific medical requirements. And we do this all with a small but dedicated professional staff and with the critical assistance of 8,000 volunteers annually. God's Love recognizes that being sick and hungry is an urgent crisis. By providing our services free of charge to our clients, their children, and to the senior caregivers of our senior clients, we are able to address this urgent crisis. With the help of our donors and volunteers, we will be able to improve the health and wellness of men, women, and children living with HIV, AIDS, cancer, and other severe illnesses who are unable to shop or cook for themselves. To make sure that all those who need our services can use them, God's Love will continue to fundraise so that all of our services will remain free of charge. We will also work hard on our advocacy efforts on behalf of food and nutrition services. God's Love We Deliver counts on 8,000 volunteers, along with a small staff, to cook and deliver almost 1.2 million meals a year. The cooks and chefs of God's Love work closely with volunteers to prepare each day's meal. The culinary expertise of our kitchen staff, combined with the nutritional knowledge of our registered dietitians, and the hard work and dedication of everyone involved at God's Love, make our organization run efficiently. God's Love is extremely data-driven, and we use this information every day to assess our operations. Some examples of our metrics include the number of meals we cook and deliver and the number of people we serve. We also listen carefully to the feedback our clients give us on annual satisfaction surveys. We continually evaluate our performance against generally accepted nonprofit accountability standards. We undergo extremely rigorous audits, and we are accredited by the Better Business Bureau and provide detailed public accountability through GuideStar. Many people believe that we are a religious organization, but we are not. Another misconception is that we are solely an HIV/AIDS organization. Over 10 years ago, we expanded our mission and now cook and deliver nutritious meals for people living with all life-altering illnesses. God's Love is unique because we individually tailor our meals to meet the medical needs of each of our clients. We provide our services at no charge, without a waiting list. We are neither a food bank nor a soup kitchen. We cook and then deliver our meals right to our clients' homes. We do not serve just the poor. We provide our services to anyone who is sick and hungry in the New York City metropolitan area, regardless of age or socioeconomic status. Our registered dietitians are experts in their field and have published more than 15 nutrition guides for people living with illnesses such as HIV and AIDS and cancer. We have served over 13 million meals. We are growing exponentially, and one of our major accomplishments is how we continue to meet this need, day in and day out, thanks to our thousands of volunteers and supporters. Prior to 2001, we remained anonymous with any delivery or service we provided to our clients. This was due to stigma around HIV and AIDS and our determination to maintain the confidentiality of our clients. When we expanded our mission, we began to brand our vans, began to announce ourselves at our client's door as God's Love We Deliver. Our history of confidentiality has made our launch into the public a little more difficult than organizations who've been out in the open for decades, but our brand is well recognized and well received all over the area. God's Love is currently in the process of doubling the size of our building so that we can double our output from more than 1 million meals a year to more than 2 million meals a year. With additional resources, we would be able to expand our reach and continue to develop programs to address the needs of those we already serve. We could also expand and develop stronger connections with our sister organizations in other metropolitan areas. Locally, we could expand to Long Island and Westchester County. We would continue to develop our grocery bag program, as well as our emergency meal program. God's Love could spearhead the movement to expand the home-delivered meal program to all towns and cities. This would connect sick people with the resources and nutritious, individually tailored meals they need. There really shouldn't be sick people without good nutrition anywhere in the United States. God's Love would increase our language and cultural-specific outreach efforts in underserved communities. We would continue on our path of always incorporating new innovations around illness, dietary needs, palate fatigue, and newer programs like our Community Partners program.